Vegas, Rodney with Sunrise Buick GMC. I just got off the phone with you. Have some really great news for you. I got that price right where you need it to be now. I just wanted to show you the truck that I'm telling you all the numbers on here. This one here has the Apex lift on it from Southern Comfort Automotive. It is going to be back with that 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from General Motors. So you don't have to worry about anything going wrong with that. It's going to be covered, okay? Also, on top of that, you see it is the white diamond tri-coat paint, which is the $800-900 ad. And when you see the prices on this thing, you're going to be really, really happy where we are. We're only within $600 of where you are on that high country, plus it's a GMC, and you know that they usually come in a little bit higher anyway. So give me a call, let me know what you think, and let's do this thing today. Thank you.